Let's wind down then the markets, and after what's been a fairly flat day of trade, well, guess where we go home? Absolutely flat. So 11,450 thereabouts on the index. It's a mild positive bias for the Sensex. We're off about 8 points or so, and the broader markets, if anything, it's the mid caps is where you've seen a little bit of fervor, but flat for the small caps. Media, PSE, infrastructure, energy, they've definitely started out this trading session, while IT, real estate as well as PSU banks has shown you quite a bit of activity. The list of gainers then, and you've got some prominent names within that space, a whole host of movers in the form of IT, so Wipro, Tech Mahindra, TCS, all in the green. SBI at 203, you've got Hero Motocorp as well as UPL that gains traction. Bajaj Finance, Titan, Infratel as well as Dr. Reddy's and HDFC Life are some of the noteworthy performers. On the flip side, Z Entertainment loses out about 2.5%, IndusInd is in the red. Power Grid, Airtel as well as Asian Paints and HDFC, they're some of the key drags in today's trading session. Some of the newsmakers then, you had that SIAM data which came out showing that the passenger vehicle sales have increased about 14% in the month of August on a year-on-year basis, but it's the motorcycle sales that have clocked in a solid two-wheeler sales growth, with scooter sales dipping over 10%. Hindalco, well, their upstream plans seem to be back on track, as the chairman says that all logistics infrastructure is back on track and they're expecting better export demand. Info Edge in focus as Zomato is planning its IPO in 2021. They've also raised $100 million from Tiger Global as part of their ongoing fundraising. Other than that, you had something like Cadila Healthcare. The company received the first complex injectables approval from the US FDA, and HCL Technologies as well. They're in a partner network and they're going to explore some AI opportunities. Other than that, you had Hindustan Copper reacting to a very solid set of numbers. BEL is on JP Morgan's radar. They've got an overweight rating with a target price at 125, and IT as well. Macquarie continues to remain very bullish on this space. All in all, the mid-cap index has snapped the 4-day underperformance streak over the Nifty, posting its biggest weekly gain since biggest weekly underperformance rather since 29th of March. The Nifty Bank has underperformed for the second straight week on the trot.